मैं चंद्रकेश चौहान मुनीश्वर देवनंदन महिला महाविद्यालय द्वारा संचालित ऑनलाइन बीएससी की कक्षाओं में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। आज जो है हम बीएससी सेकेंड ईयर के पेपर फर्स्ट में जो विशेष एनिमल है उसकी श्रृंखला में अगले जो वीडियो हेतु विशेष प्रकार का टॉपिक इसे हम लोग स्केलेटल सिस्टम कहते हैं उसके बारे में चर्चा करेंगे। आइए हम पढ़ते हैं स्केलेटल सिस्टम ऑफ बैलेरोग्लासस। As we previously described in the video, Balenoglossus is a vermiform organism and the body of Balenoglossus divided into three important zones. The first one is known as proboscis, second one is known as collar, and the third one is known as trunk. We see that the animal body having no special type of skeleton inside the body, but there is some structural organizations are present inside the body of Balenoglossus that act as a function of skeletal system. The body of Balenoglossus is not specialized or not any special type of structures inside the body that perform the function of skeletal system, but there are four important structures present inside the body of Balenoglossus that perform the function of the skeletal system of Balenoglossus. The four important structures of Balenoglossus that represent the skeletal system are: the first one is called buccal diverticulum. Buccal diverticulum. The first one is called buccal diverticulum. The second one is known as proboscis skeleton. Proboscis skeleton. The third structure that present in the body of Balenoglossus that perform the function of skeletal system is branchial skeleton. And the fourth one is called pygocard. The fourth one is called pygocard. Then we see that in the body of Balenoglossus these four important structures perform the function of skeletal system. The first one is called buccal diverticulum and second one is called branchial skeleton. Third one is called proboscis skeleton and fourth one is pygocard. Thus we see these important structures help the organism for movement of different action. Now we see these structures sequentially. The first one is buccal diverticulum. Now see the structure of buccal diverticulum. The buccal diverticulum inside the body of Balenoglossus located to the anterior of the body, especially in the proboscis zone. Buccal diverticulum is a hollow pre-oral outgrowth. The buccal diverticulum is a hollow pre-oral outgrowth extending from the root of buccal cavity into the proboscis. It is a hollow outgrowth present in the pre-oral zone of the proboscis region and extending from the root of buccal cavity into the proboscis. Buccal diverticulum, also called stomachard or notochord. It was considered as a homologous to the notochord by Bateson in 1885. In 1885, Bateson recognized the buccal diverticulum as notochord due to its homologous nature. But according to some scientists, buccal diverticulum neither homologous to the notochord nor analogous in structure. Buccal diverticulum present to the interior region of the body. It also provide a support to the body. Now see the second structure that present in the body of Melanoglossus is proboscis skeleton. Proboscis skeleton. We briefly try the structure of proboscis skeleton. You see that this is the structure of proboscis skeleton. The proboscis skeleton present to the proboscis zone, and you see that its posterior end containing two horn-like structures and ventrally a keel-like structures are present just beneath the median plane. Proboscis skeleton or mutual skeleton formed by basement membrane. The formation of proboscis skeleton is especially takes place by the basement membrane. You see that following important structures form the proboscis skeleton: a pair of horn, a ventral keel, and median plate compose the structure of the proboscis skeleton. Now we see the another important skeletal organs present in the Melanoglossus is branchial skeleton. Branchial skeleton is very important structure present in the body of Melanoglossus. It is especially located to the trunk region of the body and especially help in the performing during the respiration. Branchial skeleton, you see that this is the structure of a branchial skeleton. The structure is just like a gill spur. It is a tongue-like structure. The median rod is present between a U-shaped structures. You see that the median rod bifurcated and more elongated to the other arm of a U-shaped. Branchial skeleton is a chitinous skeletal rod-like structure present in the branchial region or trunk region of the body. Now we see the important structure which also perform the function of a skeletal organs inside the body of melanoglossus is pygocard. Pygocard is also very important structure. It is a longitudinal rod-like structure extending from ventral side of the intestine, to the body wall. Pygocard is very important structure, and the shape of pygocard is just like a rod, so it is a rod-like structure extending from ventral side of the intestine to the body wall. It helps in the supporting the post-hepatic region, which is especially located inside the trunk region. Trunk region containing very important structures of these hepatic zones are present, which are divided into prehepatic, midhepatic and posthepatic region. The posthepatic region is especially supported by the pygocards. These are also very important structures present inside the body of the melanoglossus. It performs the function of the skeletal system. Thus, we see these structures are very important in the sense that perform the function of skeletal system of melanoglossus.